Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to add feature videos on your YouTube channel. So sometimes you know that your returning viewers or your returning subscriber visit your YouTube videos. So after that, if you want to uh, add the videos, the attractive videos, it's attract your subscriber, then you can do this thing. So you can see I'm using Google Chrome. You can go any browser you want, and after that search here like youtube.com. You just go this and this is your channel. Okay, this is your channel. So what you need to do, you need to click here the profile icon, simply click on that, and after that click here view your channel. Okay, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see the option customize channel. Okay, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see the option layout, channel customization layout, and you will get this option under customization. And then you can see feature video for returning subscriber. Highlight a video for your subscriber to watch. The video want to be shown again at the top of your page for subscriber who have watched it. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click here add, then you can add any video you want. So I'm just going to choose randomly like this one or this one, and after that you can see it's added. So what you need to do, you need to click here published. Once you click published, then this video feature video for returning subscriber, if you go to your channel, then you can see, so you can see it's for you, and returning viewers, returning subscriber will watch this. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.